My name is Rasmus Nielsen. I'm director of the Reuters Institute for the Study of Journalism and professor of political communication at the University of Oxford. I've been part of the short course on journalism and communication in the digital age and have spoken about the power of platforms, the role of large technology companies such as Google and Facebook, and how they simultaneously empower publishers who want to reach wider audiences while also competing with them for attention and for advertising, and leaving those publishers who rely on the opportunities platform companies provide more exposed to platform risk, that traffic can fluctuate, that products can change, that the priorities of these companies can change. And I've discussed with the participants how publishers can make the most of those platform opportunities while also limiting the platform risk that they take on and thus succeed in a digital environment.